Yo, what is going on, everybody? What is going on, everybody? It's Sports Gaming 11 here. So while I was opening the fireworks on the RWB firework till, it just cut off the video for some reason and some other stuff. But yeah, in it we got 10 iconic coins, 35 sparklers, 25 Patriot flags, and I pulled Isaiah McKenzie, which is a really good pull. And from a word pack from the promo, I had enough for it. I had over 1,000, but I couldn't get 490 overall, so I got a 470 Xavier Howard. And yeah, this poll was actually pretty crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna post this as a part 2. But alright, peace out, boys. Happy 4th of July.